Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am gonna tell you how to make chicken pav bhaji. Pav bhaji is a very popular dish of Maharashtra or Mumbai, but there is no non-veg version of pav bhaji. So we are making a non-veg version of pav bhaji. So for this we need boneless chicken, boiled green pea, boiled baby corn. You can use any kind of vegetable. You can use boiled cauliflower, 1 large onion sliced, 4 potato boiled, salt to taste, red chili powder, butter, 5 tomato chopped, pav bhaji masala easily available in market, turmeric, coriander seed powder, garlic 5 clove finely chopped, oil, ginger paste, garlic paste, capsicum chopped, green chili. So for making chicken pav bhaji we need shredded chicken. So how to shred the chicken I am gonna tell you. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add boneless chicken. Now take 2 forks and shred the chicken like this. If you think this is very complicated, you can use chicken mince also, but shredded chicken will give you great flavor. Now take out the chicken. Now in same kadhai, add 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Let it cook for a couple of seconds. Now take 1 large onion and cook it till it pink. While our onion is cooking, let's churn the vegetable, boiled vegetable. We have baby corn, we have green pea, we can use cauliflower, whatever vegetable you like, you can use it. So we have coarsely grind our boiled vegetables and our onion is pink. So now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1.5 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. Mix it well. And now add 5 chopped tomato. For making chicken pav bhaji, we need lots of tomato. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Mix it again. Now take 4 boiled potato, crush them and mix it into the masala. Stir it properly. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Mix it. Add 2 green chili chopped. That is also as per your taste. If you want to avoid it, you can avoid it. Now add the crushed boiled vegetables and mix it again. Now add 1 bowl of water and stir it so the all flavor of all masalas will come together with the boiled vegetable and rest of the ingredients. Now press it and add 2 capsicum finely chopped. Cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, mix it again to make a smooth consistency. Now if you want, you can add food color. So we are adding food color just for the look. There is no difference in taste. If you want to avoid food color, you can avoid it. Now add the shredded chicken. And mix it again. So the all flavor of chicken will come to the bhaji and all flavor of bhaji is come to the chicken. Now cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, all the flavors will come together and your chicken pav bhaji is almost ready to serve. Press it and mix it. It's a smooth consistency now. So remove it from the heat and serve it hot with pav. So your chicken pav bhaji is ready. Must try chicken pav bhaji. Thank you.